here. Hi, we're here. Where are we?
At the cherry picking.
We're at the cherry orchards. And what are we going to do?
Pick cherries.
Pick cherries. We're going cherry picking with our friends, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. 行ってみよう、行ってみよう。Kento wants to pick cherries. Just look at them. Ooh, these are still, it's still not ripe. 熟してないよ。Kento, don't smush it. Oh, these look really red. 今チェリー狩り終わった人たちが大量のチェリー持って戻ってくね。There's people who already finished cherry picking. They have a bag full of cherries. And I guess this is where I show them the registration form. 奥の方行こうね。取った？食べてみる？食べてみないと甘いかどうかわかんないから。
これ大きい。
それ大きい。Kento, do you see a big one? A big juicy one? Oh, you don't have to take off that part. そのままでいいの。You can leave it. That looks good. Can you pull it? Do you want to eat it? You don't want to eat it? Okay. 食べてみた？食べてないの？
だってママはいないから洗えないじゃん。
まあいいよそのまま。食べてみて。どうリナ？甘い？
美味しいよね。はい、ここに入れてよ。
美味しそう。葉っぱだけ取る。葉っぱだけ取ってみよう。いっぱい。ガールズたちははしごが好き？楽しい？ケントどう？はしご。大きいのがある。本当だ。They're big. Is this fun, Mina? Yep. How many cherries did you eat?
5 or so.
Oh, only 5 or so?
Yeah.
And we've got so many cherries now.
これが一番。
And how many cherries did Kento eat? 0. はい、食べます。どう？それは甘い？うん。ペッ。もう一個。それはどうですか？さっきのよりも甘い？ね、ここで払います。We're gonna pay here. And we're done cherry picking. Rina, how many pounds do you think? How many pounds? I don't know. $55. Time to eat cherries. Delicious. Thumbs up. Do you know what you call the middle part? 種なんていうか知ってる？ Seed. I think you say pit.
A pit. これを埋めたらチェリー。
If you plant it, will there be a cherry tree? I don't know. Maybe? Maybe? So today was a good day for cherry picking. And we went to In-N-Out and had some cheeseburgers and fries. great day, right? Yeah, it was worth the hour drive. Okay, well, thanks for watching and see you next time.
3つ後
Triplets.
これ結構も
I don't know what's so funny. Oh, 2 at a time? Gabat. Take a handful.
これ食べてもいい？
歯磨いたばっかだよ。